Welcome to my channel. Today we are exploring one of the most extreme and terrifying objects in the universe. This is not science fiction. Everything you are about to hear is real, proven. Astrophysics. Imagine an object no larger than a city, yet heavier than our sun. A place where gravity crushes matter beyond atoms and reality itself begins to break. This object is called a neutron star. Neutron stars are born from massive stars. Stars much larger than our sun. For millions of years, these stars burn nuclear fuel, and that fuel pushes outward, fighting gravity. When the fuel runs out, gravity wins and the star collapses under its own weight. This collapse triggers a supernova, one of the most powerful explosions in the universe. After the explosion, the core remains. If conditions are right, it becomes a neutron star. A neutron star is incredibly small, only about 20 kilometers wide, yet it contains more mass than the sun, all squeezed into a tiny space. This makes neutron stars the densest known objects in the universe outside of black holes. Their density is so extreme that normal matter cannot exist. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. This is a scientific fact, not an exaggeration. Inside a neutron star, atoms collapse. Electrons are crushed into protons, and protons and electrons merge to form neutrons. The entire star becomes a giant atomic nucleus made almost entirely of neutrons. This state of matter cannot be created on Earth. It exists only in the hearts of neutron stars, where physics as we know it is pushed to its absolute limits. The gravity of a neutron star is unimaginable, billions of times stronger than Earth's gravity. You would never need to touch it to die. Getting close would be enough. Your body would stretch unevenly, pulled apart by gravity. Atoms would separate, and your body would be torn apart completely. This horrifying process is known as spaghettification. Many neutron stars spin at incredible speeds. Some rotate hundreds of times per second. These rapidly spinning neutron stars are called pulsars. As they spin, pulsars emit powerful beams of radiation. Radio waves, X-rays, and gamma rays shoot out into space, sweeping across the universe like cosmic lighthouses. If a pulsar's beam were aimed at Earth from a close enough distance, it could damage our atmosphere and disrupt life. Satellites could fail, communication systems could collapse, and extinctional-level effects could occur. These effects are not imaginary. They follow known physical laws. Now we reach the most dangerous type of neutron star. Magnetars have the strongest magnetic fields ever discovered, trillions of times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. Their magnetic power is so intense that it can distort atoms themselves. Electronics cannot survive near data would be erased instantly. If a magnetar came close to Earth, power grids could fail worldwide and modern technology could become useless. A human body near a magnetar would be torn apart at the atomic level. Magnetars represent pure cosmic destruction. Neutron stars also experience starquakes. Their solid crusts crack under extreme pressure, releasing enormous amounts of energy into space. These starquakes can trigger powerful gamma-ray flashes that briefly outshine entire galaxies. The shockwaves ripple through spacetime itself. Now imagine two neutron stars locked in a binary system. They orbit each other, slowly spiraling closer as spacetime begins to shake around them. When they collide, the explosion is unimaginable. The collision releases gravitational waves that stretch and compress space itself and creates heavy elements like gold and platinum. The atoms in your jewelry were forged in the violent deaths of neutron stars. In 2017, humanity detected such a collision for the first time, confirming predictions made by Einstein over a century ago. Right now, no neutron star threatens Earth, but the universe is vast, dynamic, and unpredictable. Stars move, orbits change, and cosmic events happen without warning. The universe does not care about life. It follows only the laws of physics. Neutron stars remind us of our fragility. They show us the raw power of nature, proving that small objects can hold unimaginable destruction. Beauty and terror exist together in space. Creation and destruction are deeply connected. Black holes often steal the spotlight, but neutron stars are just as deadly. They are denser, more violent, and sometimes even more unpredictable. The universe is not designed for humans. Neutron stars obey physics without mercy, and the result is terrifying. A small star with unstoppable power. Neutron stars help build the universe by creating the elements that form planets and life. Yet they can also erase everything nearby. They are both creators and destroyers. Looking at the night sky feels peaceful, but hidden among the stars are objects like these, silent, dense, unforgiving, endlessly spinning, and radiating power. Neutron stars do not need to chase us. Their existence alone is enough to remind us how small we are, how fragile life truly is, and how dangerous the universe can be. Neutron stars are not evil. They simply exist, following the laws of physics without mercy. And that is why we should fear neutron stars.